Now in this video I am going to explain practice problem number 4 and practice problem number 5. So practice problem number 4. An aeroplane on a runway starts from rest. Now it starts from rest. So initial velocity will be u is equal to 0 and picks up a velocity of 180 km per hour. So v is equal to 180 km per hour. Now this 180 km per hour you have to convert into meter per second by using 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 meter per second, cancel it. So it will come as a 50 meter per second. In doing so, it covers a runway of 1.5 kilometer. So S is equal to 1.5 kilometer. So again convert into meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 1.5 into 1000 meter, which is equal to 1500 meter. Calculate uniform acceleration. Now you have to find the acceleration. You have u, you have v, you have s. So we can use the equation of motion v square minus u square equal to twice a s. So we'll write here using v square minus u square equal to twice a s. Put the values. What is your v? V will be 50 square, u will be 0 square, 2 into a you have to find, s is your 1500. This is 2500 minus 0. This one will be 15 to the 30 and 2 zeros into a. So 2500 by 30 and this means 3000 is equal to a. Cut the zeros. Here 25 by 30. So 25 by 30 if you divide, your answer will be 0.83 meter per second square. So meter per second square is the SI unit of acceleration. Now in the second part you have to find the time. So time we can find by using the first equation, that is v equal to, so I am doing here number 2, v is equal to u plus 80. So here v put the value 50, u is 0 and a what we got 0.83 into t. So this is 50 is equal to 0.83 into t. So 50 divided by 0.83 equal to t. Now divide it. You can remove the decimal first. 5 and 2 zeros by 83 equal to t. So here the answer will come as a, if you divide this one, it comes as a 60 second. 50 divided by 0.83 comes as a 60 second. Now see the practice problem number 5. An aeroplane touches down at speed 180 km per hour. It means u is given here. U is given as a 180 km per hour. Now again this 180 km per hour you have to convert into meter per second. So what you have to multiply? Yes, you have to multiply 5 by 18 meter per second. So 18 this cancel, this comes 50 meter per second. Then 180 km per hour and stops after covering a runway of 1 kilometer. Stops, it means v is equal to 0 meter per second and s equal to 1 kilometer, which is equal to 1000 meter. So here is the given. So u equal to 180 km per hour converted into 50 meter per second, v equal to 0 meter per second and s equal to 1 kilometer, that is equal to 1000 meter. Now, first you have to find the retardation. It means retardation always comes in negative. So, we'll again use the same equation, that is v square minus u square. So, using v square minus u square equal to twice as. So, put the value of v, 0 square. U square is your 50 square. 2 into a you have to find, and this one is your 1000. So, this becomes 0 minus 2500 is equal to 2000 a. So, minus 25,000 by 2000 is equal to a. Cancel it. Now, this comes as a 25 by 20. Now, if you solve this one, you will get a is equal to minus 1.25 meter per second square. Now, a comes as a negative. It means this is called as a retardation. Therefore, retardation is equal to 1.25 meter per second square. So, this is your retardation, 1.25 meter per second square. Whenever the acceleration value comes in negative, you have to write retardation. And which case we'll get the retardation? Whenever your final velocity is 0 and initial velocity has certain value. Or you can say whenever the final velocity is less than initial velocity, then we always get the retardation. Now come to the second part, time in which plane comes to rest. So now you have to use v equal to u plus at to find the time. I am doing here, just see. Number 2, using v equal to u plus at. So v is how much? 0. U is how much? 50 plus a, what we got here, a minus 1.25 into t. Now solve it. 0, 50 minus 1.25 t. Now bring this 50 here, this is positive. If you bring this one this side, this becomes negative. Minus 50 minus 1.25 into t. So minus 50 divided by 1.5 minus is equal to t. Minus minus get cancelled, and if you divide this one, your answer will be 40 seconds. So therefore t is equal to 40 seconds. So here I solved the practice problem number 4 and 5 one part, and the second part you try yourself. Thank you.